एक इधर हाँ एक सेकंड बाइक ड्रॉप पे कर लेते हैं चलो आ जाओ एक मिनट चलो हाँ एक
मैम here मैम yeah
मैम स्ट्रेट
excuse me sir please hold Mia ma'am Aditi ma'am Aditi
मैम लोग क्या
yes now
हो गया लोग क्या ले
thoda
सर लो
yes
लोग क्या
sir here
ये होने देना सर
थैंक यू
yeah
एक सेकंड
yeah Aditi
ये सेकंड
Aditi
एक सेकंड ना
बैटरी डाल रहे हैं
yeah Aditi यहाँ पे hala
सर अभी ये सामने सर
Aditi अभी लेफ्ट साइड पे देखिए
उधर हो गया
मैडम एकदम स्ट्रेट
मैम here मैम आप लेफ्ट साइड में लेफ्ट साइड थैंक यू
when he played me a qawwali, cover version of a qawwali, which they had performed on stage, and just the first 2 minutes of the song that I heard, I was hooked, and I tried my level best to get that song to be part of my soundtrack for Wazir, but things didn't happen. I was very dejected that that song couldn't be part of my playlist. But at the same time, I was even more disappointed that I didn't get a chance to work with them. We only spoke on the phone. We never got to meet or anything. And then one day I got to hear that they are releasing an original album called Navarasam, and I happened to see the first video. And again, I was me some 4-5 songs and some more tracks from the album, and his next question was, would you be interested to direct a music video? So I think more than him, I was more excited that he actually thought of asking me for it, and without even thinking for a second, I immediately agreed, and I am so glad I did that. And they were sweet enough to send me 4-5 songs from the album and asked me to choose, and I chose Arachar. That's the song that you're going to hear today. I'm not going to talk much about the song, not the context of the song. I can just say that right from the music to the lyrics to the way it was executed, I was completely hooked, and I had to make sure that with whatever I do, it should take the song higher, and that's what I've tried my best to do. And fortunately, I had some great people who collaborated with me, starting from Aditi, who again, just on a phone call, I asked her, will she be part of this, and she didn't know anything about it. She thought I'm going to do some sweet Switzerland kind of number where I'm going to take her and there'll be another guy and there'll be like lovey-dovey moments. That's what I think she thought, and she said yes. She heard the song and she said, "Acha, so this is what you want me to do." So anyway, I think how I managed to convince her was thanks to my style guru, style director, Shweta, who did some fantastic work in the kind of styling in the whole styling of the video. So, but she was very clear in how she wanted to approach it, and I was very happy with the kind of stuff she was showing me, and so was Aditi, and she was hooked. And so the entire styling of the video was done by her, and of course, like I said, I had some more interesting people who collaborated. I'm sorry I'm boring you all, but just giving you the history of the video. Some more interesting people, some of them who are not present here. One of the biggest assets for this video, I would say, apart from our own Aditi, is our cameraman, Mr. Ravi Varman. I got the chance to work with him. He's one of the most well-known cameramen in the country, starting from Barfi to Ramleela to his recent work, Tamasha. And it was the first time I was getting to work with him. And I think again, thanks to him, the video looks the way it is, and I can only I think it's become my showreel more than his now. So thank you so much. And of course my production designer, I think she's here somewhere hiding, Pooja Palan. Again, Freddie, please come. Freddie, who I happened to meet for the video, I got to know that he himself is a musician. He himself is a part of a band, and I think that's what excited him more to be part of the music video, and I'm glad he was part of it. And one more person who was part of the video, who was a reference. We saw his image as a reference for a costume. He's a costume designer called Mr. Augustine Shubre. And I saw him, and I asked Shweta if he can actually fly down, and he couldn't, and he didn't want to, and I had to convince him. And I'm so glad he also got convinced, and he was also part of the video. So I think without talking much, I would call Aditi to say a few words. I'll call Freddie to say a few words, and of course my band, who's right here. Heard of such a big band. It's the first time I heard like a 16-member band. There is a father and son who are part of the band. Again, I think that's also one of a kind. I don't think father and sons are together. I have not heard of anything like that. And they do all kinds of genres. They do all kinds of languages. So I think that just sets them apart. And the kind of music that you will hear, please don't think that this is the only kind of stuff that they do. Please look them up. And by the way, they are the most popular popular Indian band on Facebook. They are the maximum number of followers on Facebook. So they're the most popular band. Privilege that I got to be part of their individual solo original album. So keeping my words short now, I will just call Aditi and Freddie to say a few words before we show you the video. One more word of thanks to some friends who made the time to come here. I know it's a very weird, odd time. 5 o'clock is a very odd time, but they actually braved the traffic and they're all here. Some of them just flew down and just came straight from the airport. Didn't even get to brush their hair. I got some complaints. So thank you so much to all my friends who are here. Means a lot. Genuinely means a lot. Thank you so much. I won't single you out, but thank you.
Hi, thank you all for being here today. First of all, Bijoy, I don't ever think that Bijoy is going to make a music video in Switzerland. Lovey-dovey music video. Never would I think
I only
that.
like do songs in the kitchen.
Exactly. And if you ever do now, you better call me. Anyway, so when Bijoy called me about this, I'd like to say one thing that I didn't know about Thaikudam Bridge, but when I did hear their music, I was quite excited because it's rare that you get that kind of sound in India. I think the music in India is kind of taken over by Bollywood music, and it's really exciting for us to hear different kinds of sounds and different kinds of music. I don't know if this is working. Is this working? Yeah. And just to see musicians and artists work with passion and create what they want to create and not pander to the pressures of mass, what the masses want or what is expected of them. So I really have a lot of respect for people who go out there and do what they want to do. And that is another reason why I really enjoy working with Bijoy, and especially on this video, because I think when you work with people who are really excited about doing what they want to do, and there is so much passion for what they want to do, and they have like a open canvas to do what they want to do and to create what they want to create. For an actor, there is no greater joy than to collaborate on something like that, because you know that that work is coming out of the greatest intent and the greatest passion. And I think just to be a part of that and to create with them is really special. So I felt very excited. Also, I get to play this goth princess, which I don't think anybody sees me like, but Bijoy did. So I was really excited to do that, because one doesn't get an opportunity to play such sort of varied parts. So it was fun, and it was quite noir and quite cool and black and white, and I think everything was really, really special. I also love Bijoy's team, so it was a breeze for me.
The shoot was almost getting done at just before the last shot.
Yes.
Where Aditi thought it was over and she was packed up and she was ready to go home. When I told her, okay, there's one more sequence left where you have to get wet in the rain, she was close to tears and she said, I can't do this, I'm going home. And I had to I kept on trying to convince her, listen, it's going to look beautiful, you're going to be under the rain, it's going to look... She said, no, that's it, I'm done. And she left, and I said, okay, fine. And I went back, I said, chalo theek hai, mere ko hi bhiga do yaar, mere ko shoot kar lo. So I was getting ready to shoot when suddenly I see her slowly walking onto the set and said, fine, I'll get wet only once. I said, okay, fine. And then she stood there for 20 minutes getting wet in the rain for some multiple takes. But thankfully, the shot is just beautiful, and thanks to you for that. Anyway, I'll just call Freddie once here on the stage to makeshift stage to just say a few words.
Unlike Aditi, I was very excited. I'm getting wet. एकदम body shot दिखाने का मौका मिल रहा था. But besides the fact that Bijoy sir is looking very cool in this outfit.
मैं बहुत टेंशन में खड़ा हूँ, कभी उतर जाएगा, कभी गिर जाएगा. मैं बेल्ट लाना भूल गया तो.
I had all the good reasons to be in this video. First and foremost, being a Bijoy Nambiar fan, I really wanted to work in this video and I wanted to work with him. So I remember eating his brain for about 6 months, sir, that I want to work with you. And one fine day he turns up saying that, Acha, I have this music video, very cool music video. Do you want to work with it? Me? And I said, no is not an answer. So then he forwarded me the song. He said, listen to it. And my excitement turned into double because it was a metal song, heavy metal song. And I don't know, so many times I'm just shy to say this because people judge you very badly, but I am a heavy metal fan. So when he forwarded me the song, I was like, wow, this is all the more a reason. And the song is brilliant. The guys who are working behind the music are very pure, very genuine, and their genuinity and their purity reflects from the music that they make. So guys, you guys are fabulous. And I just got to learn a little bit of you when I was there with you, and I had a brilliant experience. Besides that, the video is absolutely a pleasure to watch, visually very appealing. I don't want to say so many things because once it rolls on the screen, you guys will be able to judge by yourself. So thank you so much to Thaikudam Bridge for letting me be a part of it. Bijoy sir, to be a part,
Thank you.
Of this whole thing, and let me also be the part of it. Thank you so much.
Thank you, man. Thank you, sir. Genuinely, thanks a lot. Before I call the band, I think we'll show the video first. Have a look at the video, and then we'll call the band so you can speak to the band. Come. Their first original album called Navarasam. It's out on iTunes, it's out in CDs. Please do get it. Arachar is one of the tracks from Navarasam. So do, go, no problem. So do buy it. And the video is going online tomorrow. Is that okay? Radhika, where is Radhika? I can say that, right? Yeah. Okay. The video is going online tomorrow morning. Please feel free to share it. Please definitely, in fact, don't feel free. Please do share it. Driving towards that. So as people who love music, please find that time to support the indie music movement. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Looking at the camera, angles, everything that was done was like so much, there was so much beauty in everything that was being shot over there, and it was going to be a lifetime experience for us. It was a lifetime experience, and when we went back, we were like sharing, this happened, that happened, and like, as a band, it was the first time we saw something this beautiful and this amazing and this big. So thank you so much to Bijoy sir and the entire crew and everyone who worked so hard behind this. And as we always say, go and watch the channel and the video and everything, but be the bridge. Well, Govind, would you like to talk? Say something, man, in Malayalam. Yeah, man.
Namaskaram. No, I don't talk at all. They know that's what they're doing now. I am I'm pretty much shy. You know that. So I'm really happy because this is a kind of a dream come true for a band like a South Indian band, like a language barrier. We are trying to cross the language barrier here because everyone knows that music has no language. So this is like a big step for us. So everyone, please support us like you're doing right now.
Were you sitting? I thought you were standing. Come. Are we standing, sitting? What are we doing? Radhika? For turning up in such numbers, thank you so much. Please, tea and snacks are available. Please, खा के जाइएगा. मेहमान नवाजी में हम कम नहीं करते.
Thank you.
So sir, how was your experience working with Arachar?
Arachar is a very special work for me. Has a very special place in my heart because being a musician, and being a lover of independent music, I really wanted to work in this video because we love independent music, and these days we don't see independent music so much. So when Bijoy sir came to me and asked me to work in it, I jumped into the boat saying that yes, I would love to work with it because I support independent music, I support heavy metal. I wanted to work with Bijoy sir, the people who worked in this team, the cameraman, the cast, the crew, everybody was very excited and was working towards the same thing. So it had all the good reasons for me to work in it, and that's why probably I think the result, as you saw, was great. So yeah, it was a fantastic experience in the end,
You have worked with Aditi Roy in the album.
Video, yes.
Yeah. Does it really hard or easy to work with her?
Arey, she is a fantastic human being. I think Aditi is one of those जितनी soft और beautiful दिखती है उतनी beautiful और soft उनकी personality भी है. And I personally like her work body also, and the way she works, her work ethics, everything is very, very, very nice. So I would never say that, I don't think so कि कोई बोलेगा उनके लिए कि वो she's difficult to work with. But yes, she is very hardworking. She is always there. She will never make you feel like she doesn't want to take the shot out.
In album, we have seen the one X-Men, one guy carrying an X on his backside.
Yes.
Who is he?
His name is Augustine. Augustine is a character that everybody had thought, everybody had idealized. जब उन्होंने वीडियो शूट करना शुरू किया था तब they wanted somebody to look like Augustine, his personality, his characteristics, his behavior, his pattern and stuff like that. So I think when they found Augustine, because I think the girl who did costumes for the video, Augustine is her friend. So when they saw Augustine, they asked him if he would like to work in the video, and Augustine was ready. So I think that's how Augustine came into the video, and I think he's just putting an extra bit on the video. It's looking absolutely nice.
What character you are playing in album?
I'm not playing any character. Basically, we are these three people. You can put us into a common layman category. You can put us into this ones who are suffering from the bad politics that has been going on. It's a sarcasm on the current politics, and we are just the ones who are suffering from it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Just tell me about your album. What is Haracha, and what made you to produce this album, to make this album?
You're a
Right.
singer?
No, I'm
musician?
not. This is not my album. This is the album of this band called Thaikudam Bridge, and it's their first album called Navarasam. ये उसमें का एक गाना है, and they asked me to direct a video for them, and this is a song I liked, and that's how it started.
What made you to make this song?
Well, I really like them as a band. I really like their music. So when they were coming out with an album and they asked me to direct, it was a win-win for me. So I was more than happy to be part of it, and I was more than happy to even collaborate with people who agreed to be part of this video. Be it Aditi, be it Ravi Varman, be it my editor Priyank. So all of them who came on board purely because they all connected to the music and liked the music.
Does it difficult to direct 16% at the same time in a song?
Well, all the 16 members couldn't be there for the video. There were 6 of them who were there in the video, and then of course we had Aditi, who was equal to 16 only. So there's Aditi, there's Freddie.
Are you calling me Pat?
There's Aditi, there was Freddie, and there was Augustine. So all in all, it was quite a difficult shoot. But the thing is, the entire thing was shot in one day. So we had only one day to shoot. So what you see is this one day shoot footage.
Okay, ma'am. In album, we're playing a role of some Goth Angel. Goth Angel. What is about? What's your role? What's your character in it?
What is my role? What is my character? Arachar means hangman, and it's a political satire. So it's actually a reflection of what is happening in the world today. I thought it was quite cool that Bijoy didn't do a literal video of it. He made more like a metaphorical video. So I think that was what I thought was really, really cool about it. And that's how we approached it. It was more actually fantasy than real. And it was almost like getting into the minds of the people who create these situations. So it was more like a metaphor, I feel. Yeah. It was more like the minds of people rather than actually real people. So, yeah.
We have seen you playing or writing in a Hindi song, in a Bollywood song, in a Bollywood movie. What was the experience working in a Malayalam song?
I think music is music. It does not matter whether it's Hindi, Punjabi, Malayalam. Like, nobody questions when a Punjabi song is used for a Hindi film, right? So why then do we make a distinction when it's a Tamil song or a Malayalam song? We are all part of the same country. It's just that, it's a different language, true, but it's music. Music is about how it touches your heart. And I think the heart doesn't have a language. The tongue has a language, but the heart is universal. So I really believe in that, which is why I did not even ask what language is this. I mean, I knew, but I didn't ask. For me, it was just this collaboration, just the fact that here was a group of musicians who were so talented and who a lot of people don't know about yet. And I feel that there are so many artists in our country today who work, itna kaam karte hain, itna beautiful kaam karte hain. I know because I've grown up around art, और वो mainstream में नहीं है because they don't get the kind of patronage or the kind of exposure that they should be getting. So I feel very happy to be a part of this video, and I feel so excited that Bijoy backed them and that I could also be a part of it because I think they deserve to be heard by more and more people. And I hope that more and more artists will come out there and we will not need to ask this question, hopefully soon.
Sir, we have seen in album the costume, regarding a costume you are wearing.
I'm wearing?
No, actually everyone wearing a dhoti and some black shirt.
Yeah.
Why such actually?
Well, that was intentional. That's actually their signature style. If you see them perform, when they perform on stage, जब भी आप YouTube करेंगे, you'll see the videos. They always more or less on the same costume of like their signature.
Ma'am,
ये उनका signature style है. If you see them, if you YouTube their performances, they always perform like that on stage. So I wanted that to be a part of that video. I wanted that to be their signature style, which is carried forward in the video as well.
Okay, every rock music or every such music reflects some कुछ ना कुछ जो सोसाइटी में पॉलिटिकल इशू को कुछ ना कुछ रिफ्लेक्ट करते हैं. तो आपके जो रॉक सॉन्ग है, रॉक बैंड है, वो किस पॉलिटिकल इशू को रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहे हैं?
वेल, उनके पॉलिटिकल व्यूज़ पर्सनली क्या है मैं तो ये नहीं जानता, बट ये गाना क्या कहना चाहता है वो मैं समझ जाऊँगा. दिस इज व्हाई आई वांटेड
more people to understand, which is why we subtitle the video also. So it is a political satire. It is talking about how the people in power are exploiting it, and how we as a society are suffering because of it. And that's what the song is talking about. So आप देखेंगे समझ में.
When can we see a Hindi version of this song?
हिंदी वर्जन ये गाने का नहीं होगा. ये गाना ऐसे ही रिलीज़ होगा, and this is the way we'll share it.
Thank you.
Thank you.